In this week's vlog, I start to decorate this room, the bedroom, and I make my own paint, and I painted these two bed frames with it. At the end of the video, there's also a special announcement. on this wall there will be 2 single beds. So I thought I would do a picture wall here. Biggest one that I will use is a photo that I took with a Polaroid camera that I later had scanned at a professional workshop and framed. So I took it from Brooklyn of Manhattan, and this will be like the main character of my picture frame wall. I think I'm gonna do better hanging situation.
Be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes. Tables turn in your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way you used to be, when I think about the things I know that I'm so much better.
I bought 2 single beds for the guest bedroom that I thought were solid wood. It was from an online auction and it only said 20th century in the description. Turned out they were mostly made with veneer, so my original plan to have these in natural wood was scrapped. We continued stripping the varnish off so I could paint them, and then I decided it was time to do some experimenting and try some new things. I am gonna make my own paint to paint the bed frames with. All you need to do this are 4 simple natural ingredients. Raw linseed oil, and there are 2 types, boiled and raw, and be sure to use the raw one. just water. And pigments, I bought a ready mixed in the color that I want, but you can even make your own pigments from nature or buy different colors and mix into the color that you want. And then eggs, and I'm using my chicken's eggs. So the day before you paint, you mix the pigments with water. So that's what I'm going to do now. And then I simply whisk it. So yes, I do have some news. I am launching a Patreon site, and I realize I don't have that many followers yet, and there might just be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So if you decide to become a patron, you will have a very small community in the unforeseeable future. But there I will post smaller, shorter videos, maybe a side project or a day in my life or something like that. Something that might not fit into my regular videos, that's not a part of a bigger story or something. And everybody that become a Patreon will have one of these postcards sent to them with a personal message from me. This is a photo of my house from 1920 that I've colorized. For those of you, or for that one person that wants to support me, I'm forever grateful. This is a tough project to handle on my own, both time-wise, financial-wise. So any contribution will help a lot. In the very least, the emotional support of having someone that believes in me in the cyberspace. Even if you're not a patron, you can support me by liking this video, write a comment, and turn on notifications. And of course, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.